welcome to my channel. So for the stamp camp of the month for Stamps of Life was for April was You Made My Day. This was actually done in April. I just somehow didn't release the video. But anyway, it was done in April. So it was You Made My Day collection card kit, and it was about, what are these called? Whales. So you can get this stamp and die set, and then you also have for extra, you get this extra stamp set, this die here, and then these also dies. So, but I don't have those. And then for the card kit, you have, let's make this bigger so you can see here. You had this paper here. It was very pretty paper, actually. I really liked it. Oh, this is the cardstock. That's why I was like, what's wrong with that? So yes, it was very pretty. And then she had colored some of these well, I want to call them some different. They're well wishes. So that was very pretty paper. And then you have, of course, you get cardstock. Take this box out the way, actually. And then you can store stuff in this kit. I didn't use that much stuff in here. Then you have these papers, these stickers. And I was just testing out what it does. You can cut out. I was testing cut. And so if you use this one die, it opens it up like this. And cuts the center here. And it cuts these here. That's paper to the die. And then you had these puppy stickers. And you had these cute little bows. And then you had some bling. That was cute bling. And sorry about that. Yeah, different color cardstock. I'm not gonna go through the color because yeah, too much over. So I'll put this up back in here. So that was that stuff. And then here is the die. Oh, it just came, You Made My Day. And then here's the stamp set. And then the die come with it if you're in a club kit. And then you also get this A1 double, what is it called? It's an A1 double Z die kit. So that's what it looks like. Put that behind here. And I think that's it. And so I'm gonna show you what I made. I only made like 3 cards this month, or last month actually rather. So the first one I made was, I didn't make the double Z, I just made it like this. And so it stands up like this. Oh, no, I didn't back it. And then I made, I used another card base. And I used the well wishes. And I used 2 different pattern papers. And it's so cute. I used, I'm not sure which one I used. But I used a different die. I know I used a different die. And then this is what I did, the double stitch. Make a wish. And I did use a puppy sticker. And so that was the 3 cards I made last month. And so until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.